Introducing Make Me Bold's Air Curl and Multi-Styler 7X, the ultimate styling tool every woman needs in her vanity. This all-in-one powerhouse comes packed in a sleek, sturdy, and compact bag, making it a breeze to carry while traveling or store neatly at home. Powered by an impressive BLDC motor with 110,000 RPM, it styles your hair 3x faster. And the best part? It keeps your hair nourished and soft, all while protecting against overheating. Thanks to its 600 million negative ion technology that locks in moisture, leaving your hair silky smooth and frizz-free. With 7 versatile attachments, hairstyling has never been this effortless. Hair dryer for fast, even drying. Concentrator, focused, precise. Diffuser for curly hair. Anti-frizz comb that removes frizz. Volumizing airbrush that give a voluminous blowout. Bidirectional auto curl 30mm and bidirectional auto curl 40mm for gorgeous curls in seconds. It is very easy to attach the attachments. Simply attach the attachments by twisting to the main unit and remove it using the unlock button. The Air Curl and Multi-Styler 7X offers 3 adjustable air speeds, low, medium and high, along with 5 temperature settings to suit your styling needs. Press once for cool air. Press again to switch between warm and hot air. And for AI mode, press the button 4th time that gives cool and hot air alternatively. And long press for a cool air shot. Now let's style our hair with this. Place the hair dryer on the main unit until it is completely locked. Now turn on the power button and select temperature and speed setting. The dryer swiftly eliminates surface moisture, leaving your hair dry and refreshed in no time. If you need to direct the airflow to a specific area, attach the magnetic concentrator to the dryer. It gives you precise, targeted drying, ideal for focusing on stubborn sections. The diffuser is perfect for bringing out the best in your natural curls, adding definition and bounce without the frizz. Now, if you have frizzy hair after a hair wash, then the anti-frizz air comb will work like magic, turning frizzy, unruly hair into a smooth, sleek, polished hair. If you want to give your hair some volume, then this volumizing airbrush is your best friend. This gives you that perfect blow-dried effect and makes you feel like you have just stepped out of a salon. Now it's time for the coolest attachment, the auto curls. These are bidirectional. That means you can make right and left-sided curls using the same barrel. There are 2 sizes in this. One is a 30mm and the other is a 40mm barrel. This gives beautiful curls without any hassle. It wraps your hair automatically on the barrel and gives beautiful curls using hot air. Say goodbye to curling struggles and hello to effortless salon-worthy curls, all at the push of a button. Whether you're going for bouncy volume or soft waves, the Auto Curls attachment makes it too easy to look stunning. Now, to make sure that the device works properly, you need to clean the filter frequently. To clean the filter, hold the filter cage, which is magnetically attached to the unit, and pull it downward to detach it. Now clean the filter using a soft brush or a toothbrush. From sleek, straight looks to voluminous blowouts and effortless curls, this all-in-one tool empowers you to express your boldest, most beautiful self every day. So go ahead, dry it, smooth it, curl it, style it. Be bold, be unstoppable, be you with Make Me Bold. Make Me Bold's Air Curl and Multi-Styler 7X.